What's going on, y'all? DVDJB is here, man. This little intro. See my baby right here, you know. Yeah, about to do a little content, you know what I'm saying? About to get on the road. It's gonna be pure sound. I ain't gonna be talking because this helmet ain't really good set up yet on my vlogging. So I gotta reset it because one time I did content and try to upload a video and the sound was gone. So I'm just do pure sound. I'm not even gonna hook it up. I'm not gonna mess up the video. So that's what we're gonna do. I gotta, I'm about to go get shot. You know what I mean? So about to do pure sound. Strictly pure sound. Strictly Austin racing. We're gonna be good. We're gonna ride out. You know what I'm saying? Peace. y'all, done with the ride. It was a good ride, I think. A little short ride, but got the haircut. About to relax before work, but yeah, good little ride. The bike sound good. It sound real torquey, you know. It sound real aggressive. Had little pops here and there, but she sound good. She sound good. And again, I'm keep on saying until I get tuned. When I get this full exhaust and it fully tuned, woo. But yeah, she sound good. I hope the sound is good when I upload it and stuff like that. But I don't like to get too personal, but I wish I could ride every day, but the way life is, you know, it's expensive, so we gotta work. Shit. Hopefully y'all keep on supporting, and we have the opportunity to do this every day. You know, you never know, but thank y'all for tuning in to DVDJ Big Drive. Good little ride. It started getting hot, so I just came inside. But thank y'all for tuning in. The camera almost died, but thank y'all for tuning in. DVDJ